Hi Girl Boss Beauties, welcome back to the channel. So this is after the trip that I took to Fort Worth, Dallas area for work. I still have on my little work shirt here, looking very corporate again today, but I'm going to check on my new apartment. As you can see here, I am still packing up my house, this apartment, but I'm going to check on my new apartment because they're supposed to be finished painting. And if they are, I'm going to give you an apartment tour of where I am moving into. So let's hope that they're finished. They left the door open and we can go check it out. I'm really excited to see these paint colors and I'm very nervous because they all looked a little off when they were wet. So let's pray they look perfect now that they're dry. One of the biggest differences between my old building and this one is this building is a walk-up. My old building had an elevator, so I gotta get used to that. Here we go. So they have finished painting. Let me fix this up. Turn on the lights. So the walls are gray, but they have a purple tint to it. So this is the entryway. To the left, just like mine, there's a closet. Looks just like mine right now. And see, yeah, now you can see the purple tint to the gray paint. They have the recessed lighting, which I like, more modern than what I have. They have the gray wooden floor, which I like. Very, very nice. And these are the colors that I chose. So the living room is smaller. There are fewer windows. So this whole living room is similar to mine, but it's just smaller. And this wall is slanted, and I chose this really pretty deep purple, but you can see it better. This is accurate of how the color looks. And this is what it looks like when the sun comes through. So this is my accent wall here. And right now my television is right here in my current place, but because this wall is slanted and it comes to a point, I don't think my television can fit there. So I'm gonna have to put the television probably on this wall. But very high ceilings in this unit compared to mine. It's Texas, so we believe in our ceiling fans, but really, really high vaulted ceilings in this one, which does make the space look a little bigger because it's really not that big. So right through the entryway to the right is my bedroom. This is a very large bedroom, but it's shaped just like mine, except my bedroom has a cove and this one doesn't, which I'll see if I can go without that. But more than likely, I am going to set it up very similarly to how my bedroom is set up right now. But I love how bright it is compared to where I live now. There are lower ceilings in this unit, but this is a huge room, like 15 by 12. So lots of space and opportunity in this room. And then these are my closets. So I have this little hallway here. And then to the left, I have a wider closet than what I currently have, but the same number of shelves. So this is the walk-in closet. And then I have another closet here. I think these are messed up, but it's just one rack. So I don't know if I want to put lots of shelves in here and then just have this for shoes and handbags, or I don't know what I'm gonna do. But this looks big, but it's not configured well for my clothing. So I'm gonna come back on Monday and work with the maintenance team so that they can put me some more shelves or something in here, because this is not gonna work for me. More than likely, I need another shelf going along the top of each one for my handbags. Alrighty. And then this is my bathroom, and the same finishes as in my old one, but because the ceiling is not as high, then this is not as high, but they just recently built this out and put the trim, new fixtures. I saw that when they purchased these, they asked me if I liked them. I said yes. So they just have to put the cover there. But I have less bathroom space than I used to. My counter is not as wide. If you remember, in my counter goes like right here and stops. So they didn't bring it over in this one. And my drawers here aren't as wide. So your girl has to declutter. I have to declutter. And then this is just the shower tub combo. So I will walk out of here, and I will actually go in the second bedroom. So this is the second bedroom, and it is this grayish color again that looks very purple. Oh Lord, it looks purple. But it's okay. It's okay. It's doable. I will probably, because the windows are so low in this one, I'll probably take the curtains all the way to the top there to give the illusion that they're higher. But this is a bigger room than I have now for my office, and the bathroom is actually connected. So you can see the cleaning lady has been here. She has all her cleaning supplies. They do a great job preparing these units for the new owners or the new renters. And these are the mirrors and more storage here. I saw when they were building this, so this is brand new as well. Again, the new fixture here, which I like. And then this is the closet in this guest room office, which is so big. And if you guys know, I use these for storage. So this is like a free storage space for me, so I don't have to pay for storage. Love, love, love that. Come back out, still loving these floors. I do love the paint color. It's more purple than I wanted, but I'll get used to it. It's okay. My dining room is smaller, but it has the triple crown molding, and I did the accent wall in here like I currently have. I love. It's a very nice view. And then this is the kitchen. Lots of storage, just like mine. Stainless steel, the same chrome pools. They just rebuilt a lot of these drawers and cabinets, but again, this is lower, so these shelves are pretty low, but it's still enough cabinet space for me. This backsplash in mine is different, but I like this glossy white, and I also love this granite that comes here. This is different from what's in my unit as well. And then all the stainless steel appliances, the side-by-side refrigerator, that's a bit smaller than the one I have. And then there's my wine fridge. I still have a window above the sink, which I like, my dishwasher. And then I'm assuming I'm gonna get a new washer because it's gone. But this is the laundry room that I can actually walk into. I really wanted one like this. And I really, really like this. This is much better for me than what I currently have. So this is the tour of my new apartment that I'm so excited to move into. They do not have fire alarm issues, and it's very nicely updated. I'm loving it all. I'm excited to move in. Everything looks good. And so you guys, I will check back with you after I move in and let you know how it all went. But this is my new place. It's about 1,200 square feet, and that's enough for me and Prince Mighty. So let me know your thoughts on my unit. I am paying cheaper rent than I was before. It's now about $1,750, and I was paying a little over $1,850 for my last unit. So until next time, bye guys.